guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all the bell notification, in that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too, so be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, so we have 2 cups of breadfruit flour. We're going to try using breadfruit flour to make our gluten-free festival. And here I have a 1/3 cup of fine cornmeal. Okay, so I'm going to sift this. Now, remember, breadfruit flour is going to be, the granules are going to be bigger granules. Okay. So to this now, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee has less milk solids than regular butter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Alright, so let's combine everything together. This is an experiment. It's the first time I'm using breadfruit flour for this, so let's see how it comes out. Alright, so let us slowly add, I'm going to be using coconut milk. You can use water, until we get this to form some sort of dough. I want to be able to shape it, so I need to add enough liquid that will give me the ability for it to hold together. Alright, so I had to put it in my hand itself, because the glove, I don't have, with the glove on you don't have tactile function, so I'm not able to feel it properly. But now that I put it in my hand, I can feel it, and how it feels, it is holding its shape, so it does feel good. So I don't think I need to add any more coconut milk, so I'll just shape it out. Now remember, this does not have gluten in it, so it's not going to, you have to be very careful in shaping it when you work with something that doesn't have, remember, gluten is like a glue. So because I don't have gluten, I'm not going to be able to roll it out like how you would do a regular dough. But at least once I get it into the shape, then that's good. So this will be the shape that I will be using. So I'm just going to get to shaping out the rest of my dough here into the shape that I want for my gluten-free festival, or I should say gluten-free breadfruit flour festival. Okay guys, so our gluten-free breadfruit flour festival is now completed. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, it doesn't taste like the regular festival because we did not use regular flour. But those of us who are gluten-free, we understand that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing that you can use breadfruit flour in order to make this. I did bite into one so that I can show you. So this is how it looks here.